Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Ibrahim and my matrix number 81EC5024. Today I'm going to talk about quotation management system, high fidelity mockup prototype, subject system analysis and design. Let's go for the first slide, which is overview of the project. Using a management system, admin or employers can easily keep track of all data. The administrator has a group function for the system, which is create a new employee, retrieve, update, delete, or terminate employees, as well as for the items, customer orders, and quotation. It is easy and simple to use and can be used by anyone who is unfamiliar. The purpose of this project is to design and create a quotation management system. This is background study. Our client's name is PowerRate Technology Services. PowerRate offers a wide range of services, including electrical repair, air conditioning, refrigeration supply, and much more. The company's current service quotation method is inefficient due to the paper-based system, which is manual work. This is problem statement. At present, one of the biggest issue database management system face is data scalability. This is our proposed solution. iTech software identified the best feasible architecture to automate client's quotation management process and ensure the application supported continuous enhancement. The solution provided by iTech comprised of an interactive and user-friendly web interface, search facility to search existing quotes, generation of multiple quotation, ability to automatically include generation quotes as email, and export quotation to various supported format as Excel or a PDF. And the last one, tracking quotation ratio and report feature capable of generating advanced reports such as projecting business based on quotation and tracking success failure ratio. And this is our objective, which is our project is to provide a solution to the above problem is a constructive way, and our project aim to solve this issue present in the current database management system. This is our overall physical DFD to be quotation, and we have three entities here, which is client, employee, and admin, and my part is admin. This is our individual module as a child diagram. Employees or admin will have a complete access to the system. As a result, the administrator can manage the entire quotation process, including items, customer orders, questions, and invoices, as well as the general report for each of them. And this is our process specification, flow of the system. The client, the client may place an order for the item needed, and after the client listed down the item, Power Technology Services will contact the supplier for price confirmation. The next one, they will create a quotation once the price has been confirmed. Next, the quotation will be sent to the client. And fifth, the client can either accept or reject the quotation. And after the client has accepted the quotation, then the payment will be processed. At last, the client will be returned to the system. This is my self-reflection, which is that I got from this project, which is our performance as a team and be a good leadership. What matters most at the end of this project is what we have learned from our project, work experiences, and come up with a successful high-fidelity mockup prototype. And this is the prototype demo for the administrator known as the employer. So stay tuned for the next video. Hi, we meet again. This is my UI for the admin side, which is I have been hard-coded this for this UI and also for the backend database. And this is our first user interface that appear on the screen, the login for admin. The admin may access to the system by logging their account here. When the admin attempts the submit form, JavaScript intercept the submit button here as a login and relay feedback to the user. The admin will see the valid or invalid styles applied to login form control here, known as a form control. So here an admin. Okay, it's okay. Just try, which is the system will tell us about the invalid style applied here for the form control, which is we are getting an error. So that means we should fill up the input for the password, and the system allow user to toggle their password visibility by pressing the I slash here, as you can see, or I icon to indicate whether password visibility is toggled on or off. Okay, as you can see here, this is the icon for the admin, and click on the login button and it will redirect you to the dashboard page. So here the dashboard is the main page of the administrator user interface, and the dashboard is designed to be the ideal starting point for the site that focus on analytic, graphic, and some information that can be accessed for the admin role only, as you can see here. So this is all of the dashboard UI. So it's provide convenient shortcut for common management tasks such as system report status, as you can see, order status, quotation, and customer. And the navigation bar is part of the website template that contains link to other section of the website, which is we have here employee, items, customer, orders, and quotation. So let's go for the employee. So this is an employee management, which is a core part of the business. This administrator or employer has an access to manage the employee records, create, retrieve, update, and delete, work history, and other important employee information. And the admin able to export or generate reports for the employees record to the various supported format such as PDF and Excel. So the admin able to create a new employee by clicking the add new employee button, and this pop-up will appear for fill up the register employee. So the admin able to fill up everything, the password, email, all of these as a dummy UI for the registration and also the date. But as you can see, the table, all of table, employee, item, customers, and order and quotation, and also the delete function, which is I have just created it with the database. So this is some of the code that have been done for the pages, employee, items, everything, and also this is the database. This is the database table for the employees, customer, and much more. So let's get back to the system. And the admin able to view the employee records or information by clicking the eye icon here as a view record, and we redirect the user, the admin, to this page for view profile here, the employee profile, and by clicking the edit icon here as an update record, we redirect you to the same page, but we have the edit profile here for the employee. If needed, the admin able to change it. And the delete button, which is will redirect to the another page of the delete.php UI, which is here. So you're able to delete or by pressing no to cancel it, cancel the process. And let's go for the item. So this list of the item, as you can see here. So the item management is the process of the ordering, storing, and selling a company's inventory. This administrator has access also to manage the items record, create, retrieve, update, and delete, as well as the other important items information. So the item status will be displayed as a in stock, restock, and out of stock based on its quantity. Items quantity here lah, as you can see. And same, they are able to generate report for PDF and also Excel, but this just a dummy. I cannot generate the real report here, and they are able to create. The pop-up will appear here for the picture, email, and name, description, prices, quantity, and the status will default as a in stock. And also same for the edit item, which is the way pop-up based on each row that you have clicked. And delete, same. We redirect you to the delete page. So let's go for the customer. And here, this is a customer list, which is this customer management aims to improve the client's business efficiency in creating, generating, and emailing quotation. This is also, all of this is the admin side, which is all of them. The admin have access to do the CRUD function, which is create, update, delete, and retrieve. So this is all of the maintain all relevant information about the customer, and the admin able to create the customer by register the customer. The pop-up will pop up on the screen. And this is the view for the customer information, and all of this has been disabled just for view purpose only. Edit, pop-up for edit customer information, and delete, same. And also the export report for PDF and Excel. So let's go for the orders. And okay, this is the orders UI, which is the order management is the process of receiving, tracking, and fulfilling customers' order. So here, as you can see, we have a status for the orders detail, which is the order status will be displayed as a approved, pending, or rejected, depending on the availability of the item here. And when the customer place an order, the order process will begins, and the power rate company will send the quotation based on their customer order. When they order lah, the customer orders of these things, and the quotation will be sent based on of these orders. So same, which is you're able to view the order, edit the order, update, and also delete. And we have the report generator, and also for the create new order if needed by the customer request from the admin, so the admin able to create the order for customer lah. And yep, let's go for the last one, which is quotation. So the quotation management is the process of submitting, approving, and accepting the quotes. As you can see here, the quotation status will be displayed as accepted, pending, or sent, depending on the customer request, which has been mentioned earlier about the orders. Once the orders has been approved, and the company, the power rack company, will send the quotation will send the quotation to the customer, and the customer have to do the approval status there, which is accepted or reject the quotation. And for now, this is just this the process only that I got for the quotation. Other process of the quotation will be maintained on the employee side later on. So this is just for the display for the quotation only. We don't have the create quotation or everything here. Just like this, display the table from the database, status, and everything. All of this status has been done by if else statement for backend lah, the database inside the coding. And this is the status of pending, total pending quotation, total sent quotation, and accepted quotation. So that's all from us. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.